Hello, hi. My name is Aftab Abbasi. I'm a professional bookkeeper and accountant. Today, our topic: what is bankroll in QuickBooks Online? How to create bankroll, how to use, and how to edit bankroll in QuickBooks Online, and what are the benefits when we will apply bankroll in QuickBooks Online. So, first, I will tell you what is bankroll. Bankroll basically automate our bank feed. How we can create, I will show you. But for this automation to automate these transaction bank feed, it's we use conditions like if you have it in description of any transaction, if there is some uh, thing is matching, like if it's same type of supplier or the same type of customer or the same type of description, you can apply a rule. Also, you can apply rule at amount, if same type of amount or a specific amount like that. Now I will tell you the what are the benefits. It will reduce our costs. It will reduce our uh, less chance of error. It increase the efficiency. It atomize when we apply a rule that then it will automatically categorize transaction for future time periods. With the help of this, we can make bank reconciliation in effective way. So these are benefits. Now I will show you that how we can apply a rule practically. First, we will go to transaction. Here is a when we select transaction, we will click on bank transaction. You can see that now bank feeds are here. So Bank of America, here is a lot of transaction. See that uncategorized, some are categorized, wrongly categorized. Like first we will categorize the expense. Okay, you can see that here is a fuel charges, and these are entertainment in which is wrongly categorized. So we will categorize first using this fuel charges. Okay. See that I told you before that we when there's something matching in descriptions, then we can apply rule. Okay, here is you can see in a lot of transaction in description that there is a matching point of fuel charges. When I will apply that, when I apply rule, then it will be automatically three of transaction in one time, and in future that it will be categorized in fuel charges. Okay, so now we will go see rule first. We are going to apply rule. Here is a new rule. So what we can give any name, but better way that give a expense name, then it easily identify for you that. So fuel charges. So now there is a lot of, that asking a lot of question below. See, money in or money out. Show that this is expense, is money out. We will select money out. Which bank you want to apply this. You can, if you want this rule apply in all bank accounts, you can select all bank. If you want only one bank, you can which is a specific bank, you can select, like I am going to select in America, Bank of America. So this rule apply here only in Bank of America. So description here is the include the following: any or all. Okay, description. You can, if you want apply an amount, you can click on amount, or a bank test. You can click on bank test. Okay, so here is the description. So we will contain what? Contain contain or it doesn't contain or is exactly exact amount. Okay, so we will write contain fuel. Okay, now we will test rule that how many transactions are here. You can see that rule will be applied on 3 currently pending transaction. Okay, so it's mean that 3 transaction will be categorized. Now we will select from here which expense, the nature of expense from here. I already added many here. Can we see that here is no such a type of so we will what we will do, we will add here account. So fuel charges, head of account. Okay, this is expense. Okay, you can add on office general administration. Save. So fuel expense and product and services when you are going to if you want in income. So here is a pay. If you want to select pay, you can select from here. Okay. Well, we are going to pay Fredo, save. Now, okay, you can see that here is a now rule created. Fuel charges, bank, okay, Bank of America. Now we will go and select. Here we will go bank transaction. You can see that here rule where is the fuel charges. See that this automatically you will find in categorization. Here rule apply fuel charges. Okay, see that this are way. Now I will apply one more rule. Okay, again we will go and review. So now we will apply rule on suppose here is office supplies purchase, okay, from Amazon. So our pay Amazon and what is a nature of our expense office supplies. So now we are going to apply rule again, click on rule, new rule. So we will write here office supplies. Okay, can copy from here, then easy for us. Money out, okay, because it's our expense. Which bank account? Now we can say that all bank accounts. Okay, all. If any you want to, you can select here. Again, description. Again, contain, and then office supplies. We will test rule how many. See that there was a problem because of mistake in spelling. That's why. So we have to write that same type of that what is coming in exact spelling and exact amounts, and then it will apply. Otherwise, it will not work. Okay. So these are now we will select what is the category. So we will find here, try to find here the office supplies. There is a office supplies or no, because it's new account. That's why there is a lot of things. We will add office supplies. Okay. So it's expense. Okay, this office and journal, you can say we can add on office and journal as save. Uh, One more, I want to tell you one thing, and that here you can see that there is the option coming that automatically confirm transaction this rule. There is a two ways that if you keep green this one, it's mean all transaction automatically categorize, it will go to categorization, it will not come to review. When you off this one, these transaction will every time these transaction will go in review, and then you can accept the from review, then it will go to categorization. But in if automatically categorize, if you have 1,000 transaction, when automatically when you keep on this one, then it will automatically categorize, then there is a more chance of error. So better way, then you keep off this one, then it will goes to review and then accept there one by one review and accept these transaction, then it will categorize a better way. So now we will save here. See that new rule apply at the office applies. Now we will go to transaction. You can see that in transaction, here is a rule apply in two transaction. Now before in first time I told you that in first attempt when apply I apply one rule, first rule, then these transaction automatically transfer to categorization. Now here we will check and accept these, and then it will move to categorization. See that now here is the categorization. Now I will tell you that how we can categorize income. Just we can see here and review. There is a 14 transactions still that we can categorize. So here we can see the income, okay, ABC income. So here our customer is the ABC. So we can apply rule with the name of customer. First, again, we will go to rule, select rule, then we write the name of the rule. No money out, not money in now. We can see that all banks, okay, contain what? Contain ABC. Okay, test rule. How many time come that? This one, two time. So is type of transaction, that's deposit, category. Can we see that here is any income? So here is we can say that services. It can be bookkeeping services. You can write bookkeeping, auditing. What is your services? You can add on here. Okay. Just for example, I am telling you that these are services. Okay. We select services. Okay. We already auto off this auto. Then save. You can see that third rule. Here is how we can categorize the income. Okay. Or a sale or a revenue, you can say. Here, you can see that there is the services that categorize as income. Okay. Now, I didn't select pay. Okay. You can select pay also, accept. Okay. This now move to categorization, from review to categorization. Okay. Now I will apply one more, the condition in amount, then you know that here is the first I want to tell you that here is the income. Okay. I didn't select pay, but you can select pay. Suppose there was a ABC, sorry. Okay. Here is a Amazon I apply, but here I forget to apply. Okay, you can apply, you can uh, apply pay from here. Okay. So I can, but you know that then video become a very long and then it's not, I think better way that leave it. So again, we will see that review. In review, you can see that we can say that we will apply the transaction which are a specific amount or a less than amount, okay, like that. We can say that this is 100, then we repeat it, okay. The amount where is 100, okay, that it will be, all these will be internet bill or a utility bill, okay. So what we will do, again, we will go rules, okay, new rule. We can write here internet bill or 100 amount, okay, internet bill, okay. Money out, all banks, we will keep money out, we will keep on all banks, okay. Description, amount we will change equal to 100. When 100 will come, we will check the rules, how many times, 3 times it will apply, okay, in 3 transaction. Which type of expense this what is the nature first, then categorize which type of expense this is a, we can write here, suppose here it is, we can say utility bill, okay. We add utility bill, sorry, we can add here category utility bill, utility bill, okay. Type of this expense, this is a, we can say that, okay. You can see that rule apply here. Again, we will go bank transaction. See that the 100, all 100 amount will be already showing that this is a, these are categorized in internet bill. Okay. So now I will tell you that how you can edit rule. Okay. So for this, I will first 1, 2, and 3. First, we will accept this one, 3 of them. Now these are categorized. Now I will tell you that how you can edit. First, I will show you that categorized these are. You can see here in category that these are utility bills. Okay, 100, 100, 100, and 100. See, all utility bills here. See, you can see all categorized and rules apply. Okay, now I will tell you that how you can edit rules and how can see that. I will go to rules. You can see that from here you can edit rules. You can change the name. You can change the description. Okay, anything you can change from here. Okay, so it will be. Then you save this one. So this is a way you can. So here is a one more thing that you can copy this rule, you can disable this rule, you can delete from here this rule, okay? This is a how that you can apply rule. It will save your time, reduce your cost. It's that quick way. You can quick way of that fast way of working. it will help out that the thousands of transactions will be categorized. This is a fast way. When you will categorize one time, then it will be categorized in future. All these transactions will be categorized in future. No need to categorize again and again. So this is all about today. So we will come back very soon with new topic. Uh, it will be that bank reconciliation. Keep in touch, and because very interesting topic, that bank reconciliation highly demanded. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.